This is the Kent Passage to Regent's Park. It is a pedestrian route connecting Regent's Park with nearby areas, particularly along the lines of old pathways or new urban developments. This passage is part of London's intricate network of pathways, allowing easy access between key neighborhoods while avoiding busy roads. Regent's Park is one of London's 8 royal parks. It is a sprawling green oasis in the heart of the city. Covering 410 acres, it offers a rich mix of beautiful landscapes, gardens, sports facilities, and cultural attractions. The park was originally designed by John Nash, the famed architect, in the early 19th century as part of a broader vision for an idealistic urban environment. The park is home to a variety of attractions, including the famous ESL London Zoo, Queen Mary's Gardens with over 12,000 roses, and the open-air theatre, which hosts performances during the summer months. Regent's Park also features boating lakes, cafes, and plenty of open space for picnics and recreation. Its location in central London makes it a popular spot for both locals and tourists, offering a peaceful retreat from the bustling city streets. The park's pathways, lined with elegant trees and surrounded by well-manicured lawns, invite visitors to enjoy leisurely walks, while its sports fields and facilities cater to more active pursuits like football, tennis, and running. This bridge offers one of the most scenic views in Regent's Park. From the bridge, visitors can enjoy a panoramic view of the lake, often populated with ducks, swans, and small boats. The surrounding areas are filled with lush greenery, carefully maintained flower beds, and mature trees, contributing to the serene atmosphere. Look at this large open space. It is lovely. Let's enjoy the park now. The park is divided into several distinct areas, each with its own character and purpose, but a significant portion of it remains open grassland. These expanses of open space are a defining feature of the park, providing a sense of freedom and tranquility that contrasts with the more structured gardens and wooded areas. The wooden statues are scattered throughout the park, particularly in the more wooded or secluded areas. These sculptures are often designed to reflect themes of nature, wildlife, and the park's history. They serve as both artistic installations and educational tools, sparking curiosity and encouraging visitors to explore the park more thoroughly. Along the perimeter of the zoo, there are pathways in Regent's Park where you can hear the sounds of animals and, in some cases, catch sight of them through the fencing. This is particularly true near the northern boundary of the park, where the zoo borders the open space. The Regent's Canal runs along the northern edge of the zoo. Walking along the canal towpath, which is accessible from within the park, provides views of some of the zoo's outdoor enclosures. You might see animals like camels, goats, or birds, depending on your vantage point. London Zoo is home to Bactrian camels, which are easily recognizable by their two large humps. Bactrian camels are native to the steppes of Central Asia and are well adapted to harsh desert conditions. The goats are another popular attraction, especially in the zoo's more interactive areas designed for younger visitors and families. While they may not be as exotic as camels, goats are engaging and playful animals that bring a lot of joy to those who visit their enclosures. The Ready Money drinking fountain is one of the most distinctive landmarks in Regent's Park, located near the southern end of the park. It is a grand Victorian-era structure that reflects both the philanthropy of its time and the architectural elegance of the period. The Broad Walk Cafe is positioned close to several key attractions within the park, including the Rose Garden, the boating lake, and the open-air theater. Its central location makes it a convenient stop for visitors exploring different parts of the park. The cafe is located along the Broad Walk, a wide, tree-lined pathway that stretches from the southern entrance of Regent's Park near Chester Road up towards the northern end of the park. This avenue is one of the most prominent features of the park, known for its beautiful canopy of trees, manicured lawns, and vibrant flower beds.